I'm delighted to stand here in Kuje to commission phase 1 of the Kuje-Gwagwalada dual carriageway. The significance of the Kuje-Gwagwalada dual carriageway is both economic and geographical. For decades, this road was a death trap. Traders from Kuje, Gwagwalada, Kwali, and beyond lost time, goods, and sometimes lives while flying this route. Criminals strive in the darkness. Students of our institutions have wasted hours in traffic. Farmers could not get their produce to market on time. But that story ends today. This 7-kilometer dual carriageway with solar-powered street lights, pedestrian walkways, and proper drainage is more than a road. It is security. It is commerce. It is dignity. It is the economic corridor linking Abuja to 3 area councils and opening an exit route to southern Nigeria. With the construction of this road, we have unlocked the agricultural potential of this area, opened new residential layouts, and make it safer for mothers, students, and workers to move at any hour. This is a renewed hope delivered to the doorsteps of our people in the satellite towns. Let me especially commend the Honorable Minister of the FCT, Barrister Nigerianpolitics. I gave you an instruction when I appointed you. Make Abuja work for all Nigerians, not just for those in Maitama and Asokoro. You have taken renewed hope to the grassroots, from judicial quarters in Katempe to roads in Kuje and Gwagwalada. You are proving that development must not be selective. You heard the cries of satellite communities and you responded. That is leadership. Well done, Honorable Minister. To the contractor Gilmore Nigeria Limited and all the engineers and other workers who worked on this project, you have done well and delivered quality on time. Thank you very much. My people of Kuje, Gwagwalada, Kwali, all the area councils and satellite towns, hear me clearly. This government sees you. You are not forgotten. For too long, Abuja's development stopped at the city center. Under the renewed hope agenda, every area council matters. Every community counts. We will keep bringing roads, water, schools, and hospitals to you. I, however, urge the direct beneficiaries of this infrastructure to protect this road. Do not build on the median. Do not vandalize the solar lights. Pay your taxes and ground rents. When government works and citizens cooperate, development moves faster. To all Nigerians, I know the reforms have been tough. The hard choices today are for a stronger tomorrow. From the city center to the farthest satellite town, we are laying the foundation for prosperity. Do not give up on Nigeria. Stay with us. Support the renewed hope agenda. The results you are seeing here in Kuje Gwagwalada are happening across the country. Under my watch, no community will be left behind. Indeed, we are building the nation of our dreams. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, it is now my singular honor and privilege, and to the glory of Almighty God, to commission phase 1 of the Kuje-Gwagwalada dual carriageway for the use of the people and for the development of the Federal Capital Territory. Thank you, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.